Okay, so here we go. I'm on the NFL team page. I go over here. All right, it defaults to my east, so I'm just going to flip it over to the west. Okay, and now I'm good to go. I can come down here. I can offer some ridiculous trade. All right, I can say, hey, PJ, I'm going to send that to your west team. Go next. I'm like, dude, I'll give you my 36.9 for your 7.8. Boom. There we go. All right. And now if I'm over on the college side, same thing, man. All right. It just, operates the same way. Shagnado Eastern College. Just going to pop it over to the west. All right. And I'll offer the same preposterous trade over there. Give you my 46.6, dude, for your, your first round pick, right? That sounds sweet. So yeah, that's really how it's done. All right. Oh, dude, you're 1-1, huh? Nice. There you go. All right. So there's that. That's how you do it. And then you just go to pending transactions and see what you got going. Again, over here, Shagnado West. Just flip it to West. Check my pending trades. There's that awesome trade I just offered. Sick. All right, guys. Hope all's good.